Python class with Neha. In this video, let's see what we have in this video. So, have you ever noticed like when we are working on our laptop or a computer, in background we are listening to music. At the same time, we are replying to our mail or we are typing something in WordPad. So, what is happening, right? If we are we are able to listen the music also at the same time we are replying to mail or typing something, and in the middle if we made any error or any spelling mistake, we'll get notified for that also. So how this happening? So here comes threading part. So welcome to the session on threading. So first everybody will be thinking what is thread. So I can say thread is a separate flow of execution in a program. Okay. So if you people will be thinking flow of execution is a process also, right? So if I'll say entire entire if I'll say I can say an entire application as a process. While thread is the mini application running inside the application. Okay. So let's see what is the advantage of thread. So having a multiple threads in our program, making our application more responsive, and we can increase our user experience. Okay. So next we'll see how we can create thread. So this is threading is a very, I can say it is little complex process, or it can make our code or application very complex. Okay, so let's start from very basics how thread works or how we create a thread. Okay, so first I'll create a class start process. I'll give a name. Okay, then here I'll define a function run, and inside this function I'll try to print something. I'll try to print something 5 times. Okay, so I'll write for I in range of 8. Let's print start. Okay, because we have the print start process, so I'm printing start. You can, okay, so this I have created a start process. Same way I'll create a class for stop process, which will print stop 5 times. Okay, so this is very simple concept, right? Concept of class. So for start process I have created a history object. This is an instance of my class, and for stop class I have created my stp object. Okay, so now I'll call using this history. I'll use run function here to call, and I'll call my run function of my stp process, stop process, right? So by seeing this code, you can pause my code here for a 2 second or 3 seconds, and you can analyze what will be the output of this code. Okay, so if you see the output of this code will be 5 times start and then 5 times run stop. That's how we created the process, right? Let's run and see what is the output. Correct. It is printing 5 times start and 5 times stop. Okay. But we are trying to create a thread, right? So let's see how to create a thread. So for threading, I need to use thread class, which is main class of which is a module, which is a class inside my threading module. So I'll import threading. Import threading. I'm apologize. I need to write like this from threading. Import thread. Okay. So I need this is a main class. Okay, so I need to use this here, and I need to use this here. Then this thread class here I need to use start, which internally call this my run function. So it is mandatory to write to give a run as a name for my function. Okay, so I'll call like this. Let's run and see. It is printing the same. I have called my I have called my thread. I have used my thread class. I have used start. But why it is printing the same? Okay. So the thing is it is happening, but the system is so fast that it is executing them at the same point. Okay, so in our system we have a concept of scheduler which will give you a specific time to execute, and in that much small specific time it is printing. Okay, so what we'll do, let's try to increase this time. I'll make it 500. Okay, I'll make it 500 and let's see. It is printing start. In middle it is printing start stop, and then start stop like this. Okay, so even if I make it as 500, what is happening is like it is so fast. Okay, so what I'll do is time of, let's say 1 second. Okay, here also the time of 1 second. And, and now let's run this and see. So if I run this and I saw an exception here, right? So why I got this exception? Because I have used sleep, but I have not called this. So sleep. So I need to import from time, import sleep. If I'll do like this and I'll run this, let's see, it's working. See, you can see start, stop, start, stop, start, stop, right? So this will happen and it will print me 500 times. Okay. So what I'll do here is I'll give a skip here also for 0.2 seconds. Okay. Given enough sleep, I'm sorry, I have given sleep here. I need to give sleep 2 seconds here. Sleep for 0.2 seconds. Okay, I have given enough sleep, so I'll make it 5 times. Let's see we are able to see or not. Right, we are able to see. So this is the process of sleep. Sorry, this is how threading works. Okay. So next, let's see. Once my this task done, I'm done with the task. I need to proceed, right? So let's try to do further. So I'm printing done. So what it should do? At the end of my process, if you analyze this code, what it should do, it should, after completion of this, it should print done, right? Let's run and see what it is doing. It print done here, right? Why this happens? Why? Because in my process, this is my thread 1. Okay, this is my thread 1 and this is my thread 2. Okay, so and this my whole process is my main thread. So once this main thread started my second thread. At this point, what my main thread is thinking, like my task is done. What I'll do? So it will print done. So before print going to next line, I need to tell or I need to inform my main thread, like you need to wait for the two threads are when all running. you need to wait till they come back. Okay. So how I'll tell my main thread? I use st dot thread one name dot join, and second one is stp dot join. This will tell my main thread you need to wait until my both the thread will come back. Okay, let's run and see. See, it is working fine here. Okay, so this is the concept of threading. So, see, this way I can create one or two or three threads. It will be helpful. But what if I need to create 7 or 8 threads? In this case, what will happen? This process will become like it will be messy, or it will be like it will not be good practice. Okay. So in that case, how we need to write? We need to create a multiple thread is like there on there will be having a concept of thread pool. Okay, so there will be having a concept of thread pool, the executor. Okay, so what it will do, it will allow us to abstract away the details that we need to take care of while working with thread, and it allows us to create a pool of thread from which new thread can be created, or extract new threads can be extracted, and tasks can be performed. So let's see how I can create a threadful executor. Okay, I'll import threading from threading. I'll import required libraries, import thread, then from time, import sleeve, and for threadful, I have a I have a package called as concurrent.futures. So I'll import that. So from concurrent dot future, yes, import threadful executor, threadful executor. Okay, so I have imported required package. Now what I'll do, I'll create a function, thread function. I'll give her a name. Inside that I'll print method started. Name. I'll give a sleep of 2 seconds, and then I'll print thread and form. So this function I have created. So how can use my executor, threadful executor is I need to use thread with. Then I'll be explaining this code. I'll tell why we are using this with, why we are using with here. Okay, so here is the concept. This max worker is the keyword we need to pass. Okay, equal to 3 as executor. Alright, then here executor.map. Then I'll call my this function here, or here I can create my thread. So suppose I want to create my 5 threads. Okay, so I'll run this program and see. So I missed, I have made a mistake. I have given a concurrent name. So, okay, here. Expected max worker, max worker is workers. Let's see. This is executing. Okay, so what is happening here is 0, 1, 2 started, 0 and 3 started, 1 and 2 started. So you need to understand this concept here. Okay. So here two things I want to explain here is, if this max worker 3 I have given, it means at a time it will execute 3, it will execute 3 threads, or it will create 3 threads. How I can understand? See, initially it created 0, 1 and 2 threads. Correct? Once the 0 thread got ended, it created third thread. Okay. What it will write here 4. See, at the time it created 3 threads. Once first thread, 1 thread got ended, it created 4 thread, and it started. Correct? So this way, in this way, I can give here max worker. So how many threads I wanted to create at a time? This I'll define here, and total threads I want to create, this I'll define here. Okay. So like thread pool will create multiple threads. It may end up acquiring multiple resources. Okay. So to make sure to reduce all the resources, we'll write inside it with block. Okay. So that's why I have told, like, we need to write it inside the with block. Okay. And what is the use of this map is, so map is doing is, what it is doing is, it is a setting up the trigger thing. Like, it is helping a thread to pass into the pool. Okay. So that's where map is helping us. So you can create this is small. You can create a code and you can run, and you can practice like what will happen. You can change some code here and you can see what is happening. That's how you will be working, or you will be learning trading concept. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.